Hello and welcome to my channel and my new video. In my hands I have the Casio AW-80 and I'm going to show you how to sync your analog and digital time, or how to position your watch hands correctly so that analog time corresponds to your digital time over here. So let's get started. From the standard timekeeping mode, and that is the mode when the watch tells the time, press the lower left button once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and for the last time until age set briefly appeared over here, which means that we are in the hand setting position or hand setting mode. So we have our time over here, and as you can see it is not correct with the analog time displayed. To set our time, I'm gonna press and hold the upper left button, and the digital time over here begins to flash. Now I'm in the position of adjusting my watch hands, so pressing the lower right button engages clockwise rotation of my minute and hour hand. To engage fast rotation, press and hold it, or if it's way out of the alignment, like it is in this case, you press these two buttons simultaneously and it will engage fast rotation of your watch hands. Now you have to just wait until it gets to the time over here. So now I'm going to stop it, and by pressing the lower right button I'm gonna get it to the exact position that I'm trying to do. So it is almost 6:03, and there it is. Now to implement the settings, simply press the upper left button and the watch has now set our time. Press the lower left button and we are back at the standard timekeeping mode. The watch is now set and our analog and digital time are synced. Thank you very much for watching, and if you are into watch related content, please subscribe. So thank you.